Ever pondered over why the periodic table, that colorful chart of elements we all studied in school, holds such a vital role in our everyday life? The periodic table, a brilliant masterpiece of scientific organization, serves as a roadmap for understanding the basic building blocks of the universe. It's like a grand library, housing 118 unique stories, with each element narrating its own tale. Imagine the elements as characters in a grand play. They all have specific roles, unique traits, and distinct behaviors. Some are shy and prefer to keep to themselves, like the noble gases, while others, like the alkali metals, are quite sociable and love to interact with others. The periodic table is the script that tells us how these characters behave, interact, and relate to one another. The layout of the periodic table is not random but follows a precise order. It's a grid, organized into rows and columns based on the number of protons, the positively charged particles in an atom's nucleus. The elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number, from hydrogen with 1 proton to oganesson with 118. But it's not just about the proton count. Each row or period signifies a new energy level being filled with electrons. The columns, or groups, house elements with similar properties, because they have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell. This arrangement makes the periodic table a handy tool for predicting how elements will behave. Take water, for instance. It's a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. The periodic table tells us that hydrogen, a highly reactive element, can combine with oxygen, another reactive element, to form water, a stable compound essential for life. Without this roadmap, predicting such relationships between elements would be like finding a needle in a haystack. From the air we breathe, composed of nitrogen and oxygen, to the silicon and oxygen in the sand beneath our feet, elements are all around us, and the periodic table is the guide to understanding them. It's not just a chart for scientists in white lab coats, but a tool for anyone curious about the world around them. Even in the realm of technology, the periodic table plays a critical role. The silicon in your computer chips, the lithium in your phone's battery, or the gold and copper in your electronic devices, all are elements on the periodic table, each with their own unique properties that make our modern tech possible. So, the next time you see that colorful chart, remember it's more than just a poster on a classroom wall. It's a roadmap to the universe, a guide to the building blocks of everything we see, touch, and experience. To summarize, the periodic table is a meticulously organized chart of elements, each with its unique story. It's arranged based on atomic number and electron configuration, providing a predictable pattern of element behavior. It's a tool that helps us understand the world around us, from the water we drink to the technology we use, making it an essential part of our everyday life. Remember, the universe is a grand play, and the periodic table is the script. Each element is a character, and understanding them brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe.